Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you? Thank you so much for watching my video daily. Make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel over here and turn on the notification bell so you know the time I release a video. Today, we're doing a home cook. This time, I'm going to do my favorite food ever, Chinese hotpot. I have my bestie right there. Say hi. Hi. I'm going to teach her how to do this, and let's get started. Oh my god, this is going to be so yummy. Let's go. Okay, so I want to show you some key ingredients to making Chinese hot pot. You are going to need a beef. You can buy this from Chinese market. It's $25.69 for that's a pretty large amount. And then there's two different types of beef. This is the I don't know what kind of the beef is it, but this has less fat. That's more fat in there. You can see that. And then if you like mushroom, we like this big mushroom. It tastes almost like a chicken, very dense. It's really good. You got to have a toro. Oh my goodness, you love it. And you can always buy the pre-made hot pot soup base, and this is the broth hot pot flavor. And we have more mushroom here. Then we're gonna have some cilantro, green onions, bok choy, napa for veggie. Tofu, I prefer medium firm, not too firm. And I also like deep fried tofu and some type of fish ball in here. And this is this is called tongkao. It's a Chinese veggie. I love that too. So these are the ingredients we have. And this is the pot that we got. So we got the two separate base in here. You can put spicy in there, not spicy also, or vice versa. I have two different flavor. So we're cooking this right now. And let's get started hot pot. So for the middle pot, we're gonna do the fermented tofu. It's a spicy tofu. All you need to do is just open this and pour the sauce in here. Oh my god. In Chinese market, you can buy so many pre-made hot pot base. There's a herb, there's spicy, whatever you want, you can buy it. And then for the powder pot, we are gonna use this one. Haidilao is a very popular hot pot in China and Taiwan, and this is the basic soup broth. It's really good. It's not spicy, it has a really nice bone flavor. It has some kind of powder mix in here, and there's gonna be a lot of flavor already pre-mixed in here. So look at the soup base right now. Okay, we're gonna change that. Put all around the pot. So this one I'm making here, you can feed at least 4 to 6 people. Can you make a smaller pot? Absolutely. There's some dry ingredient here. I'm just putting here. So we eat hot pot usually in the holiday season or the very cold seasons. So hot is kind of like a Thanksgiving dinner, but we don't do turkey. We do hot pot. Okay, we're gonna let this cool a little bit, and we're gonna prepare the veggie right now. So I want to show you how I cut tofu. You just cut the edge open, let the water drain. Okay, this is how I do it. Then I pour the tofu in my palm, just like that. Okay. You just cut it. Just half. Ta-da!
But those are big pieces.
If too small, it will get mushy in the hot pot. So this is a good size like that. I'm gonna put tofu in here. So now we're gonna chop the spring onion to very fine, small. So we're making a Japanese sauce, and we need the daikon. So just gonna. So hot pot, the most important is the sauce. You agree? So this is the popular Chinese barbecue sauce we use. I don't know what's in there honestly, but smell this. And I like some spicy, and there's some garlic. There's a ponzu. Ponzu is really Japanese shabu-shabu. This is the one I made from the daikon. I smashed it. Soy sauce, vinegars. The purpose is to reduce the temperature. And you have sesame oil. Okay. And let's make this now. A lot, you need a lot. Like half. Yes. Okay. And then they put the ponzu sauce in there.
Tell me when.
More. Okay.
A little bit of that.
Okay, that's good. Okay. I'll be right there.
And then put the meat in?
Yeah, just like you do the hot pot place. So Japanese way they do it is there's two ways to do it. For the egg white, you can put. This one's.
How about vegetables? Can I put vegetables in now?
Yes, go ahead. So watch it. Okay, I'm doing this one here, right? But after they cook, you dip the meat in the raw egg.
Oh.
You can eat it like that. Oh, sorry, trying to kill me. So this will make your egg and make your meat very, very tender. Okay. And try that.
I have raw egg in here, so
No, it's different. This is just the raw
okay,
egg.
but this is so big. Okay.
Or you can.
And then what do you do? Then dip it back in here?
Just eat it like that. That's Japanese one. It's very, very Japanese. Vice versa, or you can use you can dig the raw meat and cook in there either way. But once you do one way, you don't want to change that. So. Oh, we did that video at Momo Paradise. People love it.
Why?
They think it's really cool, and then they want to get to know you more.
Really?
I said, why? I say, remember in the video I say that I'm not as funny as you, which is true. You're very funny.
I am. Am I the drama?
Am I the drama? Yeah, you're the drama. Drama queen. now you can invite me to your house. You can make hot pot for me. You know, I took to hot pot when we first dating. Did I tell you the story?
No.
So
How do you like it?
So, you know, when you're first dating someone, they want to try to impress you. So I took him to a Chinese spicy hot pot. I said, do you like spicy? He said, yeah. And then I gave him the mild version. His face is completely red. I'm like, you gonna be okay? After many years, he told me that night after he went home, he almost died.
See just how much he likes you. See, I think I like pretending I don't know how to make it so you can make it for me.
Your beef is gonna be overcooked. One thing about hot pot, if you have a spicy pot, you want to be careful. Veggie absorb a lot of spiciness in there. So
I didn't know that.
So guys, thank you so much for watching my video today. We're gonna continue to eat so we can enjoy not filming video.
So we can focus.
We can focus eating all this. Let me know, leave a comment below you like this type of cooking video. I think I'm gonna do more of those healthy video. Remember, during pandemic, I was making those very healthy meal. Like
I wasn't following because I wanted to eat fat.
okay, you will follow. Yeah, we try to figure out how to make low calorie cake, stuff like that. We made the cake with rice.
You did?
Notice
the rice went into my stomach.
Yeah. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.